Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Viviana from the 6th semester PBI class. I want to convey contents of my proposal first. Improve students' speaking ability using communicative language teaching as an experimental study at SMP Negeri 16 Cirebon. Background of study. English has become a language that has an important role in the world community. English is considered as an international language which has extends to various aspects of global society. Speaking skill as one the basic skill of English speaking has an important role in language learning process through speaking, students take out their idea to other. English has become a language that has important role in the world community. English is considered as an international language which has attains to various aspects of global society. Speaking skill as one the basic skill of English. Speaking has an important role in the language learning process through speaking students take out their idea to others. Thus, there is a pressing educational imperative to explore alternative methodologies that foster interactive and meaningful language use among students. Through this experimental student SMP Negeri 16 Cirebon seeks to evaluate the effectiveness of CLT in improving student speaking ability, measured by their proficiency in initiating and sustaining conversation, expressing idea currently and adapting language used to different communicative situations. This proves that the mastery of spoken language is more functional in everyday life, speaking a critical component of language learning, enabling students to effectively communicate in new language. However, many students struggle with speaking due to various factors such as lack of confidence, limited vocabulary, and insufficient practice opportunity. Traditional language teaching method often emphasize grammar and vocabulary over actual communication, leading to limited speaking proficiency. Research focus implementing CLT to improve student speaking skill. Evaluating the effectiveness of CLT strategies in improving student speaking skill. The focus of this research aims to improve student speaking skill using the communicative language learning approach as an experimental study at SMP Negeri 16 Cirebon. This method focuses on implementing strategies that encourage active interaction in the target language to strengthen students' speaking skill in an effective and measurable way. Identify the types of PBLT at that can be implemented at SMP Negeri 16 Cirebon. Evaluate the effect of various language skills, determining the most effective type of PBLT to improve student language skill. Objective of the research: assessing speaking proficiency, measuring research student in proficiency before implementing CLT. Applying CLT technique. Introduce and apply customized CLT made technique to improve speaking skill among students. Improving students' speaking skill using communicative language teaching. CLT. At SMP Negeri 16 Cirebon, some potential objectives that could be considered for the study. Assessing speaking proficiency, measuring research, student initial speaking proficiency before implementing CLT. Applying CLT technique. Introduce and apply customized CLT methodology and technique to improve speaking skill among students. Progress monitoring. Track and evaluate the progress of student speaking ability throughout the implementation of CLT. Significance of the research. Improvement in the speaking skill by focus on CLT with emphasis, interaction, and real-life communication. Students are likely to see significant improvement in their speaking ability and hence student engagement. CLT often involves activities like role play, discussion, and group work, which can make learning more engaging and enjoyable for students. Understanding how these activities impact student motivation and participation can be beneficial for teachers. The finding can be directly applied to improve teaching practice at SMP Negeri 16 Cirebon and potentially at other schools with similar contexts. Theoretical foundation. Language teaching refers to the practice and methodology of instructing learners in a foreign or second language. This field encompasses various approaches, methods, techniques, and principles designed to facilitate language acquisition. The primary goals of language teaching is to enable learners to communicate effectively and fluently in the target language, whether for personal, academic, or professional purpose. Language teaching refers to the practice and method used to facilitate the learning of a new language. Language teaching refers to the practice and methodology of instructing learners in a foreign or second language. This field encompasses various approaches, methods, techniques, and principles designed to facilitate language acquisition. The primary goal of language teaching is to enable learners to communicate effectively and fluently in the target language, whether for personal, academic, or professional purpose. Language teaching refers to the practice and method used to facilitate the learning of the new language. It encompasses a variety of instructional approach, strategies, and methodology designed to help learners acquire linguistic competence and communicative ability in a second language. The primary goal of language teaching is to enable learning to communicate effectively and appropriately in different contexts, both spoken and written. Examples include the communicative language teaching approach, which emphasizes interaction and real-life communication, and the grammar translation method, which focuses on translating text and learning grammar rules. A well-designed curriculum aligns with the learner's net goals and proficiency level, incorporating a balanced mix of active and resources to support language learning. Research methodology. The research used a qualitative method, namely a method that focuses on collecting and analyzing descriptive data such as word and image. Qualitative methods are suitable for this research because the aim is to explore how students at SMP Negeri 16 Cirebon follow learning in English-based learning and how this influences the student learning process and outcomes. Qualitative methods also allow researchers to obtain a mix or insider perspective from participants, namely teacher and student. Technique of collecting data. The data collection technique used in this research are semi-structured interview with teacher and student with aims to determine the evaluation of the use or influence of language teaching as a learning medium in project-based learning. Interviews were recorded with a voice recorder and then transcribed to analyze the data. Observation and carried out using observation sheet containing indicator relevant to the research questions. Okay, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.